Hello everybody, in this video we're going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how you can download and install Sodium for Minecraft version 1.21.7. If this video does help you out, consider subscribing to the channel and dropping a like. It really does support us. Now, Sodium is an amazing optimization mod that improves Minecraft's performance and unlocks special video settings, giving you way smoother gameplay. To get started, go ahead and make sure that you're exited out of Minecraft completely, and yes, this does include the launcher. Now open up a web browser of your choice and go ahead and head to modrinth.com. It should look something like this. Now, Modrinth is a trusted source for Minecraft mods. Once you're there, you're going to want to go ahead and actually click on this Discover Content section right here and find the mods option. Find the little search bar and just type in Sodium, and it should look something like this. So go ahead and open that up by just simply clicking on it, and then find the Versions tab up at the very top. Find the version that is for Minecraft 1.21.7 and look for the exact version with Fabric on it. This is not going to work unless you have the Fabric one, but essentially find this little download button and click on it just like so. It's going to download up to the very top just like that, and you're good to go with this step. Now, Sodium does run on Fabric. That's why we're doing that Fabric version. So next we will need to install the Fabric mod loader. To do this, search up Fabric Minecraft on Google and go to fabricmc.net. Go ahead and click on this download option right here. And what it's going to go ahead and do is pop up with this page. Hit download for Windows if you are on Windows, or if you're on Mac or Linux, just go ahead and use the universal.jar installer instead. And then find the little downloads folder and go ahead and run this. All you have to do is click on it just like so. And in this page, you're going to want to go ahead and just make sure that it's on version 1.21.7 and then hit install. Once you're done, hit OK, and then you can close out of this. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is actually go back to Sodium, just like so. Go back to this Discover Content section and go back to mods. And this time, look for Fabric API, or just search for it up at the very top. If it's not here, click on this and then go to the versions page again and find 1.21.7. Go ahead and now just hit the little download button and it's going to download up here and should look something like this. Now, if these two folders for you don't look like this with this little icon, you do need to go ahead and install Java. So make sure you go ahead and do that by just searching up Java download. But after you have all of the folders and files that we just went over, go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. It's going to load for a second and it should look something like this when you get loaded in. Just confirm that Minecraft Fabric Loader 1.21.7 is down here, and then go to the installations page and look for that same installation. Go ahead and click on this little folder icon just like so and look for the mods option in here. And what you're actually going to want to do is open up another file explorer page just like so and hit downloads. From here, simply go ahead and find Fabric API, drag it in here, and then find Sodium Fabric and drag it in here. Once again, just making sure that you're confirming it for version 1.21.7. Then you just got to go ahead and close out of this. You can also close out of this as well, and it's actually going to be in this installation folder. Now you just got to hit play again, once again confirming that you're on Fabric Loader 1.21.7. It's going to pop up with a page that looks like this. Check this box and hit play and get loaded in. Once you do get loaded into Minecraft, go ahead and find whatever world you'd like to use this on. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and create a new world since we are on 1.21.7. I'm going to title this Sodium 1.21.7, but obviously it doesn't really matter what you do. And then I'm going to create a brand new world. Now, once you do get loaded into your Minecraft world, it's going to look like every other world that you might have. But simply go ahead and hit the escape button and then go to options and then find video settings. Now, you should see a brand new page that looks something like this with a brand new UI and new interface. This pretty much means Sodium is installed and working. You'll have options to so many different performance tweaks, graphics, options, and more. But that's it. You've now fully installed Sodium in Minecraft 1.21.7, and your game should be running smoother than ever. If this video did help you out, make sure to leave a like on this video, share it with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help at the channel and keeps us making tutorials like this for you guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.